Hey guys, we're going to be doing part 2 of our November speed reviews. We've got a bit to get through, so let's just get straight into it. I feel like my camera hasn't been focusing on me lately. I kind of want to get a new camera. I feel like that's silly. I've had mine for a while now, at least 5 years, I think. Maybe a little bit longer, maybe a little bit less. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like I'd like to get like a whole new filming setup. But anyway, that's besides the point. Let's just get into the video. Right, I'm just gonna grab and we're just gonna go. Okay, so the first thing I have here, this is the I Still Believe palette from P. Louise. It came in the advent calendar. Stunning. It is so pretty. I love it. Love the little book design. I feel like you guys already know that I love my P. Louise palettes. I did a whole video trying out some of the stuff from the advent calendar. It's not up yet, but it will be up soon. So keep an eye out if you want like a full in-depth review. But I was actually pleasantly surprised with how much I liked this. This is the Off the Record palette from P. Louise. It's like the little water activated liners. When they first came out with these, I didn't pay them much mind at all because it was not my thing. And then I got one in the advent calendar. I was actually so impressed. I actually think it's such a great idea. And I'd like to buy some more to do for like Halloween looks and things like that. I just actually think it's a really cool idea and super versatile. So I was actually really impressed with that. This is the Prime of My Life Airbrush Primer. I did like this one. I prefer a more hydrating or like dewy or glowy primer these days just because my skin is a little bit dry. I used to love like a pore filling, perfecting kind of primer, which is like more what this is, but these days I just don't think they look that great on my skin. It's still a nice primer, it's just not my first choice. I would much rather something that is more hydrating or glowy or dewy, just because that works better with my skin personally. Oh, I love this so much. This is the little Cheek of It loose powder blush. This one is in Flirty Floss. I think this is such a pretty colour and it's so easy to use. You literally just tap it on like, and it just comes out like that. So easy to use. And then you don't even need to use a brush. You just basically tap it on. And I think this is such a nice shade. I actually really enjoyed this. So yeah. This is the Go the Distance setting spray. This is like a little shimmer setting spray. It smells like cherry. I hate cherry. I didn't realise that was cherry scented before I used it. Otherwise I would have passed it along. But it's like a nice setting spray. I just really don't like the scent. Like I can deal with it now that I've opened it. Like it's not bad enough that I need to get rid of it, but I just probably wouldn't have kept it if I knew it was cherry scented like to begin with. I also tried out this little lash trio. I used the Style Eyes and the Prize and actually really liked them. I do really enjoy P. Louise lashes. I think they're really nice. I love these little trios. I think they're a great idea. I just hate storing them. And like I hate that once they're off the thing, like it's hard to kind of know what style you're using because obviously once you've used them they kind of float around the pack. So those are my only like downside with them, but I do like the actual lashes themselves. I tried out another one of the Lunar Glow highlighters from SheGlam. I think this one was like vanilla something or like tea cake. I can't remember. They don't have the shades on them so I can never remember what they're called. That's the shade there. It's really pretty. It's like kind of like icy white and it's got like red reflex or like pink reflex through it. I did really enjoy that. I tried out this candle from Dusk. Oh, it doesn't say what it is. I think this was like the peach one or something. Oh no, it wasn't. It was something, I can't remember what it was called, but it smells absolutely incredible. It's like strawberries and cream or something like that. I don't know, but I love this. I think this candle is amazing. I wish I knew what it's called. But yeah, it's so good. I also tried out this one from Dusk. This is the little Strawberries and Cream Lollies candle. I did like it. It had a weird like after scent though when you were burning it. Like I did really like it, but there was also some weird kind of, like it smells so good, especially cold, and like it did smell nice when it was burning, but there was also like a little bit of like a weird, I don't even know how to describe it, but there was just like a weird like after scent. I don't know, it was odd. I tried this from Bioma. This is the moisturizing rich cream. I actually really liked this. I thought it was really nice and I love the vibe of this packaging. I don't know, it's just really cute and like gives me like very I don't know, it's just like fun, you know, so I enjoyed it. I tried out these little glitter lip kits from SheGlam. I tried out both Center Stage and Debonte. I did a whole video trying these out, so if you want to know my thoughts, you can go and watch that video. But I did really enjoy them. I thought they were super fun. And yeah, I actually thought they were such a vibe. The only thing is I don't know how I'm going to store them because there's so many bits to it. But either way, I really enjoyed them and I thought they were a good time. So loved that. I tried this. This is the vibrating eye cream from P. Louise. It's called Watch Me Whip. I did like it. I feel like the vibrating thing was a bit weird. Like, I don't know, like it was alright. So you turn it on. I feel like the actual top doesn't vibrate. It's more like down here. Like the actual eye cream itself was nice. So I did enjoy that. I also tried out this candle from Palm Beach. This is Passion Fruit Pavlova. It smells so nice cold, but I didn't really have much of a throw. It is quite a small candle, but like in saying that, I feel like my dusk one that's this size has a throw, so I don't really like this. This is the P. Louise Balmy For You. I like the product, but I don't like the scent of this one. So this is Lime All Yours, and I love lime, but this is very like fake lime scented. I think the actual product like feels nice. But yeah, it's just got such a gross, like, fake lime aftertaste. It reminds me of, like, dishwashing liquid or something. And, like, that's coming from me, who I really enjoy lime. Like, I'm a big lime girl. But yeah, I think that they just unfortunately didn't get that scent right, which is a shame. I tried out one of these finishing touches all over Body Glow. This one's in Butterfly Heart. I actually really like these. I think they look so pretty. I used another one as well the other night before my Christmas dinner, and it stayed on literally the whole entire night and didn't come off until I showered. And yeah, I just thought that they look so pretty and they're so nice. The only thing is I don't know like when I'm going to use them, like unless I'm going out for an event or anything. Like I guess you could use it every day, like just for a bit of like extraness. But I tried out the Good Grip Hydrating Primer from SheGlam. I do like this primer. I think it's really nice. It smells really good as well. But yeah, I do quite like it. It's a nice, good primer. I actually really liked this. This is also from SheGlam. This is the Jellylicious Hydrating Lip and Blush Tint. Mine's in the shade Howdy. It looks so scary. Like in the packaging looks so scary. Because it looks so dark, but it's actually such a nice shade and blends into the skin really nice. You do have to work quick with it because it's a tint, so it obviously dries and stains. But yeah, I do really like it, and I feel like I need to learn how to use it a bit better, but I really do enjoy that product. This is the Dermalogica Clear Start Breakout Clearing Foaming Wash. I've gone through a couple of these and actually really enjoy them. I think it's such a nice cleanser. It makes my skin feel so nice and clean, but it doesn't feel stripped or anything like that. I really enjoy this. I tried out the Skin Soothing Hydrating Lotion. This is also part of the Clear Start line. I think I liked this. I need to use it a bit more to get like proper thoughts. But yeah, I think like first impressions were pretty good. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel. I actually liked this as well. I feel like once again it made my skin feel very nice and clean, but didn't make it feel stripped, and it does smell really nice too. So happy with that. I tried out another one of these glitter liners from P. Louise. This one is in Wishful Thinking, and oh, these are stunning. I actually love them so much. I love the formula. I love the way they look on the eyes. I think it's such a great product. One of my favorites from them. Tried out this lip scrub from Lush. This is Wednesday's Child is Full of Woe. It smells really nice. It kind of smells like, do you guys remember that like bubblegum toothpaste you used to get when you were a kid? That's what it smells like. I do like the lip scrubs from Lush. They're not my favourite, I've realised now that I've tried out more lip scrubs, but I still do like them. But yeah, it's cute. Oops, it smells like bubblegum. Tried out the Enigma eyeshadow from SheGlam, and I was actually so impressed with these. I thought these were so beautiful. This one is in Such a Prize, and it has that like wet look, like, and like when I move my head, like the like little light and stuff caught on the eyeshadow, and it just looks so pretty. I actually really enjoyed those. I tried out this. This is the Jelly Wow Hydrating Lip Oil. This one's in Strike Gold from SheGlam, and I didn't like this, unfortunately. It's just not my favourite product from them. I don't know, it was just a bit like gloopy and just not very flattering. Like, it's got a lot of gold in it, and it just didn't look that great on my lips. Like, I definitely don't think it's my favourite product from SheGlam. It's alright, but yeah, I have other products that I like from them a lot more, so. I tried out the lip drip from P. Louise. This one's in Breakout Star. It smells like watermelon. It smells really nice. yeah, it's really pretty on the lips. I really enjoyed that. This is the Hydro Touch Refreshing Setting Powder from SheGlam. I did like this. It was so weird. Such a weird experience. It feels wet when you touch it, but it's like a powder. It's so odd, but I do like it. I feel like it actually did make my under eyes look quite nice, I think. I don't know. I need to use it a bit more and experiment with like that powder and like different products to see. But yeah, I think I liked it. This is the Colourpop and Bratz So Juicy Plumping Gloss in Girls Rule. I love these plumping glosses. I think they are so nice. I really, really love them from Colourpop, and this one's super cute. I love that it's in a little squeezy tube. Love that there's little glitters in there. I think this is so cute, and yeah, I love it. Tried out this basic from P. Louise. This one's in Vanilla Bean. Oh, it's super cute. It's just like a cosmetic base. I tried out the this was the Chloe lip kit, I think, from the Bratz and Colourpop collection, and I just love the Bratz lippy pencils. I love the Colourpop lippy pencils. They're so nice. And this lippy stick was really pretty as well. All of the shades that they chose for the Bratz collection are just stunning. I actually really liked this. This was the P. Louise Cheek of It liquid highlighter. This one is in Dare to Dream. And yeah, it just looked really nice on the skin. It was super blinding, super bright. Loved it. And it was quite easy to use. I was a bit worried because it's liquid, but it was easy to use, so that was good. Tried out the MCO Beauty Overnight Lip Mask in Candy. I do like it. It smells really nice in here. Just feel like, I think that had a bit of like an artificial aftertaste, but it actually it felt really nice on the lips and stuff. And yeah, like it smells really nice. It's just that tiny little bit of artificial aftertaste, but I do like it. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. I don't remember using it. I don't remember my thoughts at all. It smells nice, and I can tell that I've used it because there's a big chunk out of it, but I really don't remember what I thought, so I'm sorry. And then the last thing that we tried this month was the Colourpop and Bratz palette. I actually really liked this. I think it was super cute. The colour story scares me a little bit because it's very out there, but it is very on theme for Bratz, and I did really like it. So yeah, that's everything we tried out this month. Last month. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know down below what you tried out last month. I'd love to know. Yeah, thank you, and I'll see you next time.